Welcome to 603 Springwood Avenue in Gibsonville, North Carolina. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath bungalow has been completely renovated, restoring its beautiful historic charm while adding lots of gorgeous design elements and features. Come on inside. Welcome inside. Along the front hall, you see this beautiful board and batten. And then as you get to the back of the hall, there's shiplap, and the shiplap continues all the way along this wall in the kitchen, and even as the backsplash. Definitely not to miss is this beautiful beadboard ceiling throughout the entire front hall. And check out these gorgeous wood floors throughout the entire property, excluding the primary bath, bedroom, and the eating area and laundry room in the back. This home lives large and has a beautiful living space as you come in the door on the right. These beautiful built-in bookcases and cabinets with the exposed original brick transform this space into a separate space from the kitchen. As you walk in, the first bedroom on the left, which is the secondary bedroom, is staged as an office, and additional closet space on either side of the window was added, as well as a window bench with storage underneath. As you walk into the kitchen, beautiful renovation. This kitchen island does stay. This is where the stove goes. Beautiful wood countertops that are butcher block, and a porcelain farm sink. Space for the refrigerator. And then the back porch was converted into the eating area. And then the washer dryer room. There is a pantry here for the kitchen right next to the eating area. As you go down the hallway, the primary bedroom is just after this hall bath on the right. Beautiful renovation with a shower tub combination. Everything is new in this house with electrical, plumbing, HVAC, ductwork, foundation, vapor barrier, and windows. Welcome to your primary bedroom. There are 2 closets across this wall, so there's lots of closet space. And then a barn door for privacy in your new primary bathroom with shower stall, double sink, as you leave the primary bedroom, there is a hall closet right next to the hall bath. All the floors have been restored and are beautiful throughout. You don't want to miss this beautiful tray ceiling over the eating area, just off the kitchen. And then the original beadboard ceiling was renovated in the hall and washer dryer room. Beautiful, wide, spacious front porch that goes all the way across the whole front house, just about. And a lovely original beadboard ceiling. We'll go on back to the back deck. This is a new deck. It's quite spacious. We have a large lounger on it now. And we do have a picnic table in the backyard that will stay. And there are 0.69 acres in the back, so there's quite a bit of space. There is an old shed also in the backyard. There is a circular driveway from the front road to the side road next to the house. And here is the view of the expansive backyard.